my pleasure to invite the host governor, Her Excellency Governor Susan Kihika.
Thank you. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, Your Excellency's colleague governors, Cabinet Secretaries present, Majority Leader of the Senate, Senators present, members of the National Assembly, Principal Secretaries present, the DIG, the Rift Valley Regional Commissioner, everyone from the administrations, heads of state agencies present, government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to join you today as we come together as leaders of the region to discuss the causes, impact, and possible solutions to the menace of illicit brews, drugs, and substance abuse in the Rift Valley region. Allow me to welcome you to Nakuru County, the home of unlimited opportunities. It is an honor and privilege that Nakuru City was selected to host this event here at the ASK Showground. You are all very welcome. Your Excellency, the Deputy President, the conversation on the danger posed by the consumption of illicit brews, use of drugs and substance abuse in our country and more so in the Rift Valley is timely. Various studies in this topic, branded in Nakuru County as the business of death, have shown the use of illicit brews, drugs, and substance abuse among the youth and now some older people does not only pose a challenge to our social, economic, political, and health progress, but also threaten local and national peace and security. In fighting against this business of death, we seek to reduce poverty, unite families, mold a healthy workforce, clean our politics, entrench harmony and peace in our society, and promote security. I'm convinced that we will have a clear route to tackle this challenge by the time we leave here today. So thank you very much, Your Excellency, for leading this fight. It is no easy task, but I'm sure you and all of us together are up to the task. It is now my pleasure to introduce Your Excellencies, my colleague governors. And we have Dr. Mutai, who is the governor of Kericho, and you will have time to speak during the plenary. We have Jonathan B. or Kotimoja from Uasin Gishu. We have Hilary Barchok from Bomet. Thank you. We have Benjamin Cheboy, my neighbor from Baringo, who stole my flamingos, but they're back. We have Governor Irongo from Laikipia. We have Deputy Governor Yulita Mitei from Nandi County. Have I left out any present governor? Let me also take the time to introduce my Deputy Governor, or the Deputy Governor of Nakuru County, DG Kones Asanti. I also noticed on the screen there that I saw the Majority Leader of the Nakuru County Assembly, and any MCAs, if you also can stand up, I think that would be nice. Thank you very much. Asanteni, thank you very much. Oh, they are from other areas also? Oh, okay, all the MCAs, stand up. Sorry, I didn't realize that. No, we did, leader. Okay, thank you very, very much. And for you, the members of the, is it the press? Mumeniona? Niko sawa? Hiyo mreport pia.